KLONA Handheld Steam Cleaner is designed to give you a powerful and efficient cleaning experience at home. Using high-temperature steam, it easily removes dirt, grease, and stains without the need for any chemicals, making it a safe and eco-friendly choice for your family. The cleaner comes with 10 different accessories, allowing you to clean a wide range of surfaces including carpets, sofas, curtains, kitchens, and bathrooms. It is especially useful for reaching tight corners and areas that are difficult to clean with traditional tools. With its compact and portable design, you can easily carry it anywhere in your home. It heats up quickly within a few minutes and provides continuous steam for effective cleaning. Whether you need deep cleaning or regular maintenance, this steam cleaner offers a simple and reliable solution for keeping your home fresh and spotless.